Hi there guys, how's it going? Michael here. Today I'm going to explain to you two methods of splitting names in Excel. So if you need to split the first name and the last name, this is the two of the easiest methods. So if you had a really long list, what you'd first do is, this is method number 1. So what you first have to do is you highlight the column that you want to split, you go to data, and then you go to text to columns. If you go next and then select space, unselect tab, next, and finish. So that's method number 1. Okay, so the second method is if you do it the formula method. So the formula method, you use the formula which is called text split. So that is equals text split, which is this one here. Okay, and first you click on the cell that you want to split the name, and then you go comma, and then you put in the delimiter that you're splitting it on, and then close parenthesis, press enter, and there you go. So if we copy this down, we can then, we've got them all split. But because this is a spill formula, the formula is actually using up 2 cells. So what I do is I'd highlight column B and C, and then I just go copy, Control C to copy, and then right click, paste special, and just values, and then OK. And this gets rid of the formulas, and there you have it. So I don't know which method you like better. Just leave a comment below.